This costume is made from baklaw, which symbolizes unity, cooperation, and prosperity. The skirt made of touch or coron, that symbolizes cleanliness, good company, and communication. This ethnic attire represents the unity in diversity, the tradition and culture, the lifestyle, and the livelihood of the people in Barangay Sagrada. This Mary Rose is proud to represent her lovely, warm, MOE Barangay Sagrada. Designer at Bernie Maclan and SK Chairperson Mildred Bautista Mora. Once again, Mutya ng Sagrada.
This costume is called Busuanga, that represents and symbolizes the isla ng Busuanga. Carabao symbolizes hard work. Sumisipulo ito sa kasipagan ng mga Busuangenyo. Tribal cloth symbolizes the indigenous people and tribes. Ang ating mga katutubo at mga ninuno na nagpapanatili ng makasaysayang isla ng Busuanga. Pearls. The white pearl symbolizes cleanliness. Kilala ang Busuanga sa tunay nitong linis at ganda. Ang perlas din ay sumisimbolo sa natatangi at nagagandahang mga isla sa bayan ng Busuanga. At ang kinang nito ay sumisimbolo sa kabutihan ng mga Busuangenyo. Golden beads. Golden beads symbolizes palay. Ang gintong butil ng palay para sa masaganang ani. Bamboo tube represents the pambuhay handicrafts. Ito ay isa sa ipinagmamalaki ng bayan ng Busuanga. Karosa symbolizes agriculture. Ang karosa ang isa sa pangunahing kasangkapan ng ating mga masasipag na magsasaka. Ito ang kanilang katuwang sa pagsasaka kasama ng kalabaw. Once again, your candidate number 2 from Barangay Santo Niño.
Halihuyang ng makulay na pagtatarahonan. This festival costume is designed by Mr. Tom Padilla. The details of the bodysuit are composed of plastic flowers, beads, plastic leaves, and embroidered colorful sequins butterflies. The headpiece is made of pearl-like beads, wire, green sequins, plastic flowers, embroidered colorful sequins, butterflies, and variety of beads and rhinestones. Artificial flowers and leaves, soft fabric sequins, rhinestone in the tail and tire wire as a frame are the material used for the back piece of this costume. The fan is composed of colorful feathers that celebrates the rich, fun, and colorful Tarahomonan festival. Pink and green are the most present color in the overall costume. Pink symbolizes love, compassion, and optimism that is entailed in every Busuangenyo. Green represents the calmness and tranquil nature of biodiverse island of Busuanga. Again, Marilam, the celebration of the majestic beauty of Busuanga and Busuangenos.
costume is inspired by the radiant and effervescent meaning of its name, a ray of sunshine, to be seen at Busuanga Bay. The primary materials of this costume are native cloth, wooden beds, coconut husks, and artificial flowers. The scenic festival costume is a representation of the spirit of the festival, positivity, and the vibrancy for alive. The color of this costume inspired to a sunrise scene at Busuanga Bay, which means no matter what struggles we are facing today, there's a new way for a new beginning of our daily life. Once again, your Mutya from Barangay Panlaytan.
San Rafael. The Festival of Fire is associated with the Panagbega Festival in Baguio. The dress is made of flowers symbolizing joy, pleasure, friendship, and purity, with their colorful and beautiful blooms. The headdress resembling a crown but covering the forehead is made of flowers, paired with an umbrella. She is perfectly suited for this attire, resembling a fairy in a flower forest. Once again, our candidate number 5, Mutya ng San Rafael.
Candidate number 6, Mutya ng Maglalambay. This costume was inspired in one of the streets in Maglalambay known as Canyogan. Canyogan is composed of many coconut trees that serves as a livelihood to its people by making it as walisting thing. Just like a walisting thing, this costume was made with unity, passion, and love, and it was not made out of native beneath. Allow and recyclable materials such as egg trays and plastic bags. This costume is a representation of a stronger, passionate, and advocate Busuangenya, or maisip na Busuangenya, and that is her. Once again, your Mutya from Barangay Maglalambay.
The festival attire of candidate number 7 is inspired by the vast marine aquatic resources that can be found in Barangay San Isidro, an island barangay here in Busuanga. The headdress symbolizes the seashells and seapearls. The plastic recycled dress gives emphasis on the pure and clean seawater in the island. Further, the two Tangay represent the beautiful and amazing coral reefs under the sea. Generally, the festival attire of candidate number 7 showcases the astonishing marine ecosystem in Barangay San Isidro. Once again, Mutya ng San Isidro.
The livelihood of the people of Barangay that is octopus catching as well known called Tamonogita. Busuanga is well situated facing the West Philippine Sea. It is proud to have its own rich marine that gave opportunities to generation of families to have a source of income and support to their children's education and their families' everyday needs. Tonight, as she wears the dress, Miss Mutya ng Busuanga is proud to show us how rich our marine resources are.
which means gold or diamond. It symbolizes the good harvest of the farmers and sufficient catch of the fishers of the Tangay tribe. This creative festival costume is made out of red fabric that represents the blood of Tagbanwa heroes who fought for the right of their ancestral lands from the foreign invaders and soon embraced the Christian religion. The Palaspas embodies their deep acceptance for Christianity and profound love for the God. At the same while the Balanan is the old-fashioned basket for their rice, wood crops, fish, and other sea harvests. The Filipiniana suit represents their adoration and patriotism for the country, and the palda or skirt is made of from cloth with floral design that symbolizes the richness in flora and fauna of the community that is well preserved and protected by the tribe until to this day. The lion represents the traditional way of Tagbanwas for fishing and grooming from one island to another. They also use it to carry their fishing gears and nets to catch enough fish for their families.
Candidate number 10, Mutya ng Concepcion. Her costume was inspired from the pearl farm industry in Concepcion. It is one of the main livelihoods of Barangay Concepcion, which is not only giving financial support in every family, but also it preserves the hidden wealth of Barangay. Her costume was made accompanied as the main livelihood of the indigenous people at Busuanga. This costume is a representation of beauty, wealth, and prosperity. It's a pearl.
Number 11, Mutya ng O. She is wearing Miss Paula Gonzalez design. Her inspiration is their local farmers. She's wearing the palay seeds, and Puluha is showcasing that all Busuanga is wealth with pride. Palay has been the staple food crop of the Philippines for centuries. This festival costume is for a tribute to all our farmers, to remind us that farming is one of the distant livelihood. Busuangueños love rice in their table, which is also bonds of the families and the community eating together. More than that, its rule of the table rice is also ingrained in the Philippine tradition. Newlywed gets showered with grains of rice as a sign of blessings and a costume deepens. The presence of rice is needed too, before moving into a new home to ward off evil spirits. A representation of our very own Tarahomonan festival. Farmers camaraderie from planting to harvesting palay crop. A farmer is a magician who produces money from the mud. Cultivators of the earth are the most valuable, the most virtuous, and they are tied to their country and wedded to its liberty and interest by the most lasting ties. Masaganang ani para sa ating masigasig na mga magsasaka.
This festival costume is a masterpiece of new Busuangan, driven by a Nihan spirit like what we celebrate in our town today. Her spread tail symbolizes the beauty, strength, more vibrancy, and vitality in our experiences. We should contemplate the power of peacock. Her costume is a combination of indigenous and recycled materials. One of the dominant materials used in her costume is cocoon grass. It is one of the main sources of income in Barangay, Busuanga, which used for resort and cottages. The iridescent blue, green, and gold gracefully mimic the jewel-toned feathers of the peacock. The costume symbolizes not only the stunning wildlife but also the interconnectedness of our people, working together like the harmonious dance of the peacock's club. What is important is that we all walk tall and proud like the peacock too. Once again, your candidate number 12, Mutya ng Busuanga.